Hello everyone, it's John here from Winning Solutions Inc. and today I will be bringing you all another Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough. I will be showing you where to find the template database on a website, how to download the template database demo, and how to use the demo properly. Most of our templates are not designed to be used on their own. Instead, they are designed in a way that makes it simple and smooth to integrate into an existing database that you're already using. You can also build a more robust Microsoft Access database that is built around one of our templates. If you would like to create a new database that is based off one of our templates and don't know how, or don't have the time to do so, let us know and we'd be happy to help you getting the database that 100% fits your needs. With most of our templates that we offer, there are 3 different versions that you can purchase. A compiled runtime version, one for internal use, and one for unlimited developer use. The compiled runtime version is a run-as-is version without the paid full version of Microsoft Access using free Access runtime from Microsoft. It can be integrated into your existing Access application, but you will not be able to make any modifications to the forms, reports, modules, etc. This option is more for those of you who don't see any need to make any customizations to the template. The internal use is a version that allows you to use or modify the databases however you wish within the organization. The unlimited developer use allows you to use the database template however you wish for any applications you develop. And it also allows you to distribute the template as part of a database you create. Winning Solutions Inc.'s templates have a strong advantage over shrink-wrap software that you purchase from a store or website. With our templates, you receive the source code along with your purchase, so you are able to customize and update the database as you please. With shrink-wrap software, you do not receive the source code when purchasing the software, and that means you can't update or customize the database. In our video today, we will be working with a demo version of our database template. A demo is a simple way that you can view or try out our database templates so that you can determine if you would like to purchase the database template or not. This is great for customers due to the fact that all of our sales are final. And our sales are final because we give you the source code when you purchase a template, and once we give you that source code, there's really no way you can return it. If you would like to test our demos for multiple days, you're free to do so. You just have to leave the database open so the data you entered will not be wiped. Our demos are designed so that once you close the demo, all the data entered is wiped from the database. And you have to purchase the full version if you would like to save your data that you enter. Upon downloading a demo, you have to unzip the downloaded file. And zipped files make it much easier to send and download large files over the web, so that's why we do that. Unzipping a file is very simple though. All you have to do is extract the file so you have access to the uncompressed file. If you do not know how to do it or don't understand how to unzip a file, check out our YouTube channel and watch the How to Unzip One of Our Files video tutorial to learn this simple step. The link to that video is in the description of this video, actually. So now let us get into downloading and testing one of our own demos. Alright, we're going to start off by going to our website, microsoftaccessexpert.com. On the top of the website there is a toolbar right up here, and this is all the various ways to contact Winning Solutions Inc. And if you go over to the sidebar on the left and go under Database Templates for Sale, and then click on Database Templates List. Alright, this is a view of all of our templates that we offer. And as you can see, it's broken up into categories. First one is most popular, second is appointment and scheduling, calendars, and so on, all the way down to database tools and miscellaneous templates. Today I will be showing you the Access IT Consultant Appointment Tracking Database template. What you'll need to do is download the demonstration that correctly corresponds to the version of Access your computer has. Once the file is downloaded, go ahead and open it. Next, you will need to extract that file since it is in a zipped folder. Alright, and now you will be able to open the database without any issues. Alright, and this is just a security notice that pops up, just alerting you that it is coming from the web and it can be potentially harmful to your computer to open it, but I can assure you that this content is safe. So this database template is great for keeping track of appointments and all your clientele in one spot. To start, we'll do add new customer. Okay, I'm just going to fill out some of this information just for the sake of the demonstration. Alright, and as you can see, there's a bunch of other stuff that you can fill out, but I'll just fill out the name, email, and phone number for right now. But you can put in a picture if you want to, you can add an address, you can do notes about the customer, call history, appointment history, and payment history. But I will just click Save and Close for right now. Okay, once that customer is in the system, you can now search for them by going into Search Clients. Okay, here you can search by any criteria, by first or last name, job title, email, and so on. I will just search by last name. Alright, perfect. So this is the client that we just created. What we can do with that is export the search results to Excel and make that into a nice list if there were more than one. But it just pulls all that data that I put in there. Okay, or you can double click on this and you'll be able to re-edit that information or delete it. Alright, the next thing you can do is add an appointment. To do that, go to Calendar View. Alright, so here is a view of the daily view. You can also see the weekly view, bi-weekly, monthly, or month day, but I'll just go back to daily view for right now. Alright. Alright, I'll just make an appointment at 9 a.m. Okay, well, the client, we'll just use the one we just created. And consultant, we'll just do consultant 1. All of these can be changed, by the way, and I'll show you how to do that later. And type, group, same thing. You can change all of that drop down information. And location, location 1. You can also add workers if you want to, or payment information, or notes. I'll just write it, doesn't matter. Okay, and also just take a look at the invoice amount, $60. That will match up with whatever type that you used. So if I use in-house, $75, $75. Okay, next I'll select a color and we'll make it blue. And then click Save and Close. Alright, perfect. Now it's going to be John Smith in-house location 1 at 9 a.m. until 9:30. So there you go. What you can do now is double click on this if you want to re-edit that information, or delete it if you'd like. You can also view the calendar by a certain consultant if you want to just look at their appointments and not all of the appointments in the database. So this one was for consultant 1, and if I do consultant 2, that one will disappear because there's nothing for consultant 2. To change days, you can go up to these arrows up here. If you want to go back a day, just hit left or forward for right, And you can also hit the up arrow if you want to select a certain day. Alright, next we'll take a look at the appointment search, and that would just be search top left. You can search all the appointments in the database by just hitting run search. Alright, and there's just one in the database. This one is just a test file, so don't worry about that. If you want to search by location or search by consultant, so all the appointments for consultant 1, it'll bring them up in a nice list, in this case just one. You can also export those to Excel, Outlook Calendar, Outlook Task, and you can make a print detailed version. That's what that looks like. Or you can do a print summary, a little less detail. Alright, if you double click on this, it'll go back to the calendar form, as you can see here. So if I double click, it goes into calendar form. But if I select view an appointment form and then double click, it will bring up the appointment form, and you can edit whatever you want to. Alright, next we'll take a look at the maintenance lookups. So these are all the drop-down information that you can change. That's what I said earlier. So we'll take a look at location. We'll change some of this stuff. We'll do Ames, Iowa, and we'll also add one. Perfect. Alright, and there's no need to save this information. It'll save automatically. As you can see, you can also do consultants. You can change any of those if you want to. Okay, and I'll just show you that we did change it. So go back to calendar, and if you click location, now you only have the options of Ames, Iowa, locations 2 and 3, and the additional New York. So perfect. That's exactly what we wanted. Alright, another thing we'll take a look at is the calendar setup. Here you can change all the calendar parameters, such as first day of the week, or what day you want, or what time you want to start each day. And you can also change the calendar colors if you'd like. Alright, and lastly we'll take a look at the reports. We'll do Friday the 13th until Friday the 27th. And we'll do print invoices for this date. You can also do accounts receivable and a cash ledger. Alright, and this is what the print invoices looks like. And as you can see, that appointment we made was within that time parameter. So there you go. And that's all there is to this database. I'm going to go ahead and thank you guys for taking your time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough, brought to you by Winning Solutions Inc. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please feel free to give us a like or subscribe to our YouTube channel for tons of other walkthroughs and tutorials. As always, feel free to contact us for any of your IT needs, whether it be programming needed, you want to buy a template, or need help customizing a template. Contact us whenever you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and post our contact information in the description below of this video. Also, you can find us on about any social media website. Feel free to follow us or like us on any of those, and have a great day.